Hi there, my name's Howard Erickson and I'm a mobile welder and I've been a fencing contractor since 2005. So I've been building custom gates for a long time. I never had any formal training like welding school or anything like that, just working for other people and going out on my own. So thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe. So if you weld flat bar along the edges right here like this of the gate, and then you take it to a powder coating shop, they can't powder coat behind the bars. So you're gonna get all this rusting behind the bars. And then a couple years from now, the customer's gonna be really pissed off at you and wonder why you're getting all this rust. So I found the best way to do this is just buy 20 gauge galvanized sheet metal. Between galvanized and powder coating, you have like double the rust protection. And then with these self-drilling sheet metal screws, number 10 is the size I get, number 10, and then they're 1/2 inch. You want 1/2 inch because you don't want to get a longer one and have it go out the other side of the picket or damage the tubing. 1/2 inch is usually fine. So I'll show you what it looks like over here. So you can see through the sheet metal, it's not gonna protrude past the picket. And the whole theory behind this is, again, they powder coat the gate and the sheet metal separate. Some guys use panhead, they call them panhead self-drilling sheet metal screws. I personally don't like those because the process that I do this, I have to take the screen and put it on and then take it off, and then after it's powder coated, put it back. So with the panhead ones, the little Phillips end is always getting stripped out. So I personally hate those and don't use them. The number 10 screws, you want to find a piece of old screen like this, and you want to put all your screws that you take out of the gate and put them in here, and so they powder coat the screen, the gate, and this separately. And that's how you do that. The 20 gauge galvanized sheet metal, one easy little tool that I really like a lot. When I first started doing it, I was plasma cutting everything, but now I pretty much use the shears. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but these Milwaukee ones work good. The DeWalt ones work good too. But those are really good shears. They cut everything. You're able to cut the arches just fine. Occasionally, when you get to where there's like a lockbox like this, something like that, you're gonna have to use a plasma cutter. At least I do. I haven't found any other way. I mean, I suppose you could use a grinder with a cutoff wheel, but you'd have to be real careful you don't, cut past where you need it to be. Alright guys, well, thank you very much for watching my video. I'm going to try to give you all the tricks I know how to build high quality gates. So I'm going to try to start showing a little bit of the whole entire process. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like my channel, help me out here. Thank you. One more trick I wanted to show you is you can measure from the bottom up. So I did like 32 inches, every other picket, 32 inches, 32 inches. And then I marked it on both sides. That way I know where to drill a hole, because that looks like crap when you have screws that are not like, they're all uneven on the back side. But you gotta have screws in the middle, otherwise it's gonna go like this all day in the wind. And it's going to drive the customer crazy, and they're going to give you a call back. So once you take it off, come over here, use a straight edge. There's my little line, you can see. Just put a little mark there. I know right around in the middle of that line is where I'm going to want to drill my little hole right there. So that way, this one I'm not going to put the screws in until I actually install the gate. But that way I don't take a chance of missing a picket. And I actually did miss one earlier. That's why I had to weld right here. which sucks because you mess up the galvanized properties when you have to weld on that, but sometimes it happens. See, I missed right here, so I had to fix that. But once it's powder coated, it'll be good.